Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the TM30 form. For those who are unaware, this is an address reporting form. It's got to be filed with Thai immigration. There was a prior video that I made, and honestly, I don't remember which one it is. Somebody made a comment on a later video that just kind of came through the streams. The staff here in the office, I'm not always looking at the YouTube channel, but we do have staff that look at it. Oftentimes you'll see me comment back, not a lot, but I do interact sometimes with people that are in the comments. If you see a comment that has BWH below it, that's me talking to them. If it's just a comment back, or if it just says something and you don't see the BWH, that means it's one of the staff. In any event, there was a prior video I did, I don't know which one exactly, and in there I think I offhandedly said, tourists don't really need to worry about TM30. I said that, and as always, I'm happy to stand corrected. If that's what I said, then no, that's not strictly speaking true. I know why I would have said it even like that, and that is because I would have been presuming that if you're a tourist, you're staying in a hotel. And if that's the case, hotels file the TM30 automatically. Oftentimes they'll do it in the online system. They just hook into the system and boop, boop, boop into the TM30. But it's my understanding that there are folks that arrive in Thailand and don't stay in hotels. They may stay with a friend, or they may stay in a rented apartment or house somewhere, or something of this nature. Yeah, under those circumstances, yeah, there is an obligation to file the TM30. As we've discussed in other videos, there is something, the guidance suggests that there is a responsibility on the part of the householder. For example, if you're renting a house or a condo from someone else, that the householder is supposed to do it, but there's no, as a practical matter, there's no real impetus for them to have to do it because there's no negative consequences to them. They don't have to deal with anything. Whereas for a foreign national, yeah, you're dealing with immigration. There may be a fine associated with that, etc. So, yeah, if I said in a prior video, if I was being too cavalier with my language and I said, oh, tourists don't need to worry about that, it was because I was presuming that, look, a tourist would be staying in a hotel. That means the hotel's going to just sort of do it for them. It's just not something tourists need to really worry about. But if you're coming down here and you're not in a hotel, if you're not going to be staying in a hotel where they're going to do that for you, then yeah, it is a requirement that folks coming into Thailand file a TM30.